Hi, Greg Wayman here, Foundation to Rooftop. I'm on a house in Omaha, Nebraska, and we are looking at wood shake roof. And I wanted to explain to you what to look for and how a roof can wear out when it's a wood shake. So we have what was supposed to be a 30-year shake roof. So they're thicker shakes, and when I get up here, I'm just going to extend out, and then you can see you have a hole right through a shake right here. There's a split and then a hole there, another hole here. If you go over to the other side of me on a ladder here, we had one where the leaf is, two more right here, and as you go up, there were 18 total holes through these shakes, leaving the felt paper exposed behind it. And when you have that, the sun can beat down on it, and that's really the only protection you have from the roof leaking. So at this point, there are a fair number of shakes that are worn through, and it's not looking good for the estimated remaining useful life of this roof. At this point, I think there's enough of them with holes through it that at least this section of the roof is going to need to be replaced. So obviously the recommendation, have a licensed roofing contractor come out, review, and replace as deemed necessary. I forgot to mention two things. One, this roof is only about 15 to 20 years old, so it's not reaching its 30 years. And then also, another issue to look for is when you have a split shake like this, that does expose the felt paper behind it, and that's also just as bad as having a hole through a shake. So just wanted to share that with you. And even though from the ground this roof looks great, when you get up close to it, it's not so much. Hi, continuing on, I'm on the southeast face of this roof, and this one I think is getting a little bit more worn down by the sun exposure. Just in the span that I'm at here, there's a hole there, you have a knot missing there, another hole here, another one here, split and worn out shake there, another one here. You have a whole bunch of shakes that are split on this side, and you have more holes all the way up through. I did count, I don't know if we can get this on video or not, so I'm going to reach up a little higher. Just in that area right there, there's about 5 holes, maybe 6 through the shake, depending on how wide that angle is. But I did count in total of this area about a 6-foot wide span all the way to the peak. I counted about 32 holes through the shakes here. So again, it's just something that you have a potential for a roof leak. This is supposed to be a 30-year product, and it did not last that long. The sun exposure, it doesn't look like it's been hail damage. It looks like it's just wear and tear, and it's nearing the end of its life, or at the end of its life.